Ever stared at pages of messy notes the night before an exam and remembered nothing? You're not lazy. You're not slow. You're just using the wrong system. And in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you a smarter one, used by top students and Ivy League professors alike. Let's be honest, most of us just scribble during lectures or type everything we hear. But here's the truth. More notes doesn't mean better learning. Your brain doesn't need more information. It needs clarity, structure, and most importantly, a way to remember. Without a system, you're stuck reviewing the same notes over and over, and still forgetting the key points. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and it's not your fault. That's where the Cornell method changes everything. Here's how it works. Take a regular page and divide it into 3 sections. On the right side, the largest section, write your main notes during class, just like you usually do. On the left, after class, write key questions or cues related to those notes. And at the bottom, add a summary box, just 2 or 3 lines to sum up the whole page. This layout trains your brain. You're not just copying, you're engaging, questioning, reviewing. It turns your notes into a self-testing tool, perfect for last-minute revision and long-term memory. No more flipping 20 pages to remember one formula. Thousands of top students swear by it. And once you try it, you'll never go back to normal notes again. But what if you could combine Cornell with a visual note-taking method that's just as powerful? Check out my next video, Mind Mapping in 1 minute. It's on your screen right now. And trust me, your brain is going to love it.